How to make money on TikTok in 2024, 8 proven ideas. Part 1. 1. Join the TikTok Creativity Programme. Users who've built up a substantial following might consider making money through the TikTok Creativity Program. Announced in February 2023 and launched that May, this program replaces the TikTok Creator Fund U. US-based creators with at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 authentic video views within the past 30 days are eligible to join this program. But if you're not in USA, don't get discouraged. They'll direct you how to create USA TikTok account. Eligibility. 1. Users must be at least 18 years old to sign up. 2. Users must meet the minimum follower and video view requirements. 3. User accounts need to be in good standing. 4. Creators already enrolled in the TikTok Creator Fund can upgrade to the Creativity Program. Idea 2. Sell merch. Selling your own products on TikTok is great for monetizing nearly any type of content. Creators, whether they're dancers, singers, or comedians, can make and sell merch for their most loyal fans, and with a wide variety of print-on-demand companies on the market, there's a ton of merchandise to choose from. You might sell t-shirts, tote bags, pillowcases, hats, coffee mugs, stickers, notebooks, or any combination of products. Selling print-on-demand products even has benefits beyond revenue. Owning branded merch gives your fans a deeper connection to your personal brand, and every follower who wears your merch spreads the word about your business. Bevicle Watch Out Part 2.